Welcome to Go To Natural. Today we have an avocado and aloe vera hair mask for you. Let's jump right in. To start, we're going to need an aloe vera plant, organic mint oil, and a fresh avocado. We're going to use the whole avocado. So like I did here, you want to cut a small piece of the aloe vera because it does go a long way, and cut it in half. You're also going to cut the avocado in half and remove the skin and the seed in the middle because that's not needed. And if you guys don't know, aloe vera is very good in moisturizing the hair. It rejuvenates dead skin cells in the scalp. It's good for eczema and itchy scalp. The gel also defines the curls and add moisture back into your hair. And the avocado has healthy fats, which helps with long-lasting hydration. Vitamin A, B6, D, and E contains iron, which nourishes the hair and scalp. And we can't forget about the mint oil that helps cool the scalp. It also helps with providing natural shine to the hair. It also helps with blood circulation to stimulate hair growth. So once you get all of these ingredients into the blender, you want to blend until you get a creamy consistency. And here we go. We're just gonna apply it to the entire head. And when you're applying it, you want to make sure that you're massaging your scalp as well, just to stimulate blood flow to your head, which will also help with hair growth. And I also want to mention that in this video, it did get messy, so if you want to try this hair mask, I would recommend wearing a shirt that you don't really care about, like a t-shirt, a white t-shirt, or something that you don't really use. Okay, so once you apply the mask all over, you want to grab a plastic bag or a shower cap, anything that can help trap heat to your hair, and you want to put it on your head for about 30 minutes to an hour. In this video, I did keep this mask on for 30 minutes, and that was more than enough time for me to reap the benefits of this mask. So once you keep this on for 30 minutes to an hour, and mind you, you can keep it on for longer if you want. It won't make any difference. You want to rinse it out with warm water, and that's what I just did here. And as you can see, my hair is just totally different than what it was before. It has a bounce to it. It's moisturized, and you can even see some of those curls popping out because of the aloe vera. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye!